Here we have the Note 20 Ultra 5G. Actually, this is my second one. It just got here, so we finally can open it. I did order one on September 16th. Look at here. And I paid extra $14 for a 2-day delivery, which did not come in 2 days. And they did not fulfill their agreement. Yeah. And then the first Note Galaxy that I received had a black little, like a dark area on the bottom left corner, and I thought it was like the wallpaper or anything, so I checked every single app and it's still there. So I returned it and ordered a new one, which is a stupid process for Samsung because you have to pay for 2 phones initially because you have to buy it again and then return it. You can't, they don't just send you one. So this is the second time that's happened to me. I purchased the Note 20 Ultra prior. Camera issues, same thing. I had to buy a new one, return it. So the last 2 times of having Samsung, it's been a real major letdown. But nonetheless, I do like Samsung. Let's unbox it, shall we? I already know what's in it. This is my second one. My first one had a defect in it. Again, Samsung. Can you just sell me the proper one first time so I don't have to buy a new one? We're paying premium dollar for premium phones. It should not come defected. My S20 Ultra had a camera, like when you shake it, you can hear the whole camera shaking. Like, no, you respect your customers and your consumers. Stop selling messed up phones. But nonetheless, we love phones. That's why I'm here. I love phones. I've always loved phones. Anyways, here we go. Let's cut this bad boy open. Boom. Okay, here we go, baby. Voila. We have the real pristine Note 20 Ultra. Hopefully there's no default or error in this one. It's really pretty. Nice finish. Camera looks nice. High gloss. There's a protection film on here. I'm gonna keep it on for now. But the phone itself feels it's matte. It feels very nice. I got this because my thing with phones, I love a square phone. iPhones, I wish they were square, but we're not there, so I just use a square phone case for my iPhone to keep it square. But this is like the perfect square phone. Like, you can't get any more square than this. And we just turned it on. Let's see how it goes. While that turns on, it's pretty quick. Samsung got rid of the headphones, which is stupid. So it comes with a charger, USB Type-C charger. Doesn't come with headphones anymore, which is kind of silly. I don't know. I hope they get, I don't know. It comes with a fast supercharger port. But that's about it. You get the phone and the charger. That's it. Well, that's it. That's all you get. But it's a great phone. It's turned on. As you can see, it's much more square compared to the S20 Ultra. It's much more luxurious, more glamorous. Comparing the S20 Ultra and the gray edition, it seems very basic. The hold feels nice compared to the S20 Ultra. They're both very, very nice phones, very pristine. This just one has just a mega feel to it, you know. And this one's I love the S20 Ultra, especially with my case. If you go check out Bazaar Dodo, they have a really amazing case for iPhones and Samsung. So this case I really like. It's a nice, cool vibe. And their measurement's really nice, so the camera protrusion is no longer a problem. So I really like the vibe of this phone case with my S20 Ultra. They do have it in iPhone edition too, so go check out bizarretoto.com. Link is in the bio. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. They're just a really cool phone case website. They come in premium like case for your phone case. If you love anime, it's all like anime stuff. I really like that. Like, I just love them. So I love their aesthetics. I love their stuff. So go check them out if you like them. On the bottom left screen right here, there was this black, right here, right in this corner, there was this black circle here. And no matter what I tried, it was still there. It was just a flaw in the phone, and I had to return it, and I'm still waiting on the processing thing. So thumbs down to Samsung for that. Second time purchasing the phone and second time having to return it when we're paying top premium dollars, United Bank of money for all this top phone, and there's defect. And then the new Z Fold, like, can you imagine spending about $2,000 on it and then there's an issue to it and then you have to return it, but you have to purchase another $2,000 Z Fold for it to come so you can return the one you purchased prior. That's like spending $4,000 on a phone because Samsung couldn't get it right the first time. They sold a defective phone. I post videos every Friday, so stay tuned. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I do post videos every Friday. But yeah, stay tuned.